5 seconds to go. Start. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant has pointed out that in the case of Bhimesh Supra, which is a recent decision, this court had an occasion to consider the decision in the case of NC Santosh Supra. We have heard the learned counsel for the respective parties at length. We have noted that there is a conflict of view as to whether the scheme rules in force on the date of death of the government servant would apply or the scheme rules in force on the date of consideration of the application on compassionate grounds would apply. There are divergent views and the conflict of opinion in different decisions of this court. However, keeping the said question aside, for the reasons stated herein below, we are of the opinion that in the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, the appellant herein shall be entitled for appointment on compassionate ground as per the 1990 rules, which were applicable at the time when the deceased employee died, and the appellant herein made an application for appointment on the death of his father, that is in the year 2010. From the chronology of dates and events mentioned herein above, it is not in dispute that the deceased employee died on 2nd January 2010 while in service. Immediately in July 2010, the appellant applied for appointment on compassionate ground as a junior clerk under the 1990 rules. It was the specific case of the appellant that his mother was unable to take a government job due to her medical condition, and therefore he, being a son, applied for appointment on compassionate ground under the 1990 rules. At this stage, it is required to be noted that under the 1990 rules, there was no provision that when the wife of the deceased is alive, the son cannot make an application for appointment on compassionate grounds. As per Rule 2B of the 1990 rules, family members shall mean and include the numbers in order of preference, which include wife, husband, sons. Therefore, when the mother was unable to undertake a government job due to her medical condition, the appellant, being the son, was entitled to apply for the application on the death of his father. That the application of the appellant, though was forwarded in the year 2011, was kept pending consideration initially for a period of 5 years. The same was attended to after a period of 5 years by the Additional Secretary. The Additional Secretary, via communication dated 9 September 2016, asked the Collector Ganjam to furnish a fresh report regarding the financial condition of the family of the deceased government servant. Simultaneously, a report was also called for from the CDM Ganjam to refer the mother of the appellant before the medical board for proper examination to ascertain whether her liability to perform a government job continues. The medical board examined the mother of the appellant and furnished a report on 1st November 2016 stating that she was unfit for a government job. Stop.